Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll solve a very interesting question, that is solve the following simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule. Okay, so how can you solve it? The simultaneous equation says 2x plus 5y equal to 16 and try 6 minus y equal to 7. At first we need to find out the determinants of the coefficient of x and y in this way. So we can write determinants equal to, here we are taking the coefficient of x, that is 2 and 3, the coefficient of y, that is 5 and minus 1. So 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, minus 5 3s are 15. So here we will get minus 17. Here the determinants cannot be 0. This is the very important part. Then we'll try to find out the dx. That means here we can write, instead of x, we will input the constant value. So 16, 7, and here 5 minus 1. Okay. Now 16 into minus 1 minus 16 minus 5 7 ja 35. So minus 60 minus 35 minus 51. And at last we need to find out dy. Okay. So here instead of the y part, we will input the constant value. So for x 2, 3, and for 5 and minus 1 we will input 16 and 7. Okay. So 7 to the 14 minus 3 16 ja 48. Here we will get minus 34. Now by using the Cramer's rule, we can find out the value of x if we divide determinants of x, that means dx divided by d, and we can find out the value of y if we divide dy by d. So determinant of x, that means we can find out minus 51 divided by minus 17. You need to remember that this determinant, that means the coefficient of x and y, in that way, it cannot be 0. It must be greater than or less than 0. Okay. So minus 51 by minus 17, that will be 3. And here for this one, we can find it in this way, minus 34 by minus 17. So 34 by 17 will be 2. So here the required solution, x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. So this is the Cramer's rule. I hope you understand this one properly. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.